Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Tuesday, February the 3rd. Guys, listen, I'm just going to expose a dirty secret of wood floors refinishing. Even when I was back in my carpet cleaning days, a lot of dirty secrets I can share with you. And I'm pretty sure this is in almost every industry, okay? One of the dirty secrets of wood floors, guys, because I get this a lot. You know, clients call me, set up a in-home consultation for me to come out, and they say, Courtney, we had the floors done. We had the floors done months ago, and the floors are already failing. The floors are already looking bad. The finish is wearing off. And this is the thing, guys. A lot of homeowners do not understand this. Let me flip this around. A lot of homeowners do not understand this, all right? All finishes, okay, are not equal. All right, let me say that again. All finishes are not equal, okay? You have one component finishes, okay? I'm talking about finishes that can go from $30, $40 a gallon, okay? You have two component finishes, okay? You have oil-based finishes, and you also have UV curing finishes, okay? All we use here at Truman is two components, okay, or our UV, which is our most recommended finish because people love the convenience of the UV, which we're doing here today on this job. All right, guys, I don't care. They can do a good job sanding that floor, screening that floor, prepping that floor, cleaning that floor, staining that floor, but what they put on top of that floor is going to determine how well that floor holds up. Okay, just in the last month, I've had clients that have called me, had the floors completely sanded, but the finish is already wearing. It's already failing because the reason why, they don't know what type of finish is going on the floor. But when they do research and they ask questions, they realize that they did not get a good finish on the floor. Now, I do not use oil bases and I do not use one components. The reason why I do not use oil bases is because of the curing. Oil bases can take up to 30 days to cure. They have very high VOCs. I've never used oil base, but I've had clients begging me not to use oil base because of the lingering smell. Okay, so I've never experienced it, but I've only heard the stories. One components, if you're just going to do a build coat, yes, but as a top coat, is that last coat that's getting the traffic? No. All right, two components, which I have right here. This is one of my favorite two components. This is AquaPro, ProCoat AquaPro. I had a client text me Sunday watching my YouTube videos and say, Courtney, you did our floors 3 years ago and they're holding up so well. Just want to say thank you. But she called me, not called, but she texted, told me that she liked the songs that I'm putting in my YouTube videos. All right, on this job, let me flip this around. So I just got through screening this floor. All right, so we're just about to doing some other stuff. This is ProCoat Rad Coat. This is a UV curing finish. This finish can only be UV cured, okay? And I'm gonna also, they put some of the nano in it as an additive. It just gives it more durability. Now guys, you see this? You see this right here? These are unopened, okay? You can come to my warehouse. I have gallons and gallons and gallons and gallons of unopened finish. One of the dirty secrets, what a lot of contractors would do, they'll take like a good finish bottle, and they'll keep them, and they'll take the cheap finishes and they'll pour it in. Okay, that's the dirty secret I want to share. Here at Truman, we do not do this. These are unopened. Wanna see that? I just opened it. See that? Just open that. Okay, these are the finishes that we're going to use on this floor today before we UV cure. All right, so I just want to say, if you are uncertain about what's going on your floor, ask questions and make sure they show you what they're using, and they're also unopened before they start the project. All right, guys, hopefully this can help somebody. See you in the next one.